If you're like me, you've got lots of different sockets and extensions and ratchets from 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, all sorts of stuff. And of course they don't fit each other, do they? But luckily I've just bought this adapter kit from Screwfix and I think it's amazing. So you've got your obvious adapters, such as your 1/2 inch to your 3/8. That's always handy if you need to, downsize. But you can also go the other way. There you go, 1/4 to 3/8. That's handy. Let's go the other way around. So 3/8 to 1/4, 3/8 to 1/2. You've even got the big boy stuff, such as 3/4 to 1/2 and 1/2 to 3/4. Now with this combination you can pretty much do anything. Imagine I've got a little tiny 4mm socket. I want to put my 1/4 inch socket on my 3/4 inch ratchet. Ta-da! Right, let's go the other way round. I've got a massive 50mm socket and all I've got is my little baby 1/4 inch drive. No problem with this kit. Boom! Look at that! That's amazing. Now I'm not expecting you to ever have to do what I've just done, but this little bit of kit could get you out of trouble.